Let's see how to create a custom menu in your Wix website. Creating a custom menu in Wix enhances navigation and allows you to personalize your site's layout. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to create a custom menu using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. Once you're in, click Design Your Website. Now, you will see a plus button on the top left corner of your Wix, which is labeled as Add Elements. Click it and hover onto Menu and Anchor, which is located here. A list of all the options you could choose to customize your menu. It could be themed, horizontal, vertical, or even the hamburger menus. In this case, I'll pick on the hamburger menu. And then I'll drag this one here. Once you've dragged it onto your panel, click Publish and then View Site. It should be working now. That's how to create a custom menu in your Wix. That's how to create a custom menu in your Wix website. See you soon!